Pero nilikas almost 200,000 people.
May check mo na yan.
Eh di ba, kung ganyan ang mababalitaan mo pagkatapos merong 1.4 billion landing ng OWA. Meron na naman doon tinagpas na OWA executive. Ha?
Teka, kaya lang, there are
Deputy Director ng OWA, Emma Sinclair.
pattern na minsan hindi nakikita yan. But they have developed it. What big examples? Whatever happened to the 5-year block grants of the park? From the time